Rahu enters Aquarius 2025, major shake ups in career, love and finances ahead for Cancer Ascendant. In the zodiac, astrological events often mirror the energies unfolding in our lives. One such major event happened on May 18, 20. Shadow planet will enter the visionary sign of Aquarius Kumbharashi. This planetary transit is not just another change in the zodiac wheel, it is a powerful cosmic shift that can shape destinies, open new paths, and stir inner awakenings. Astrologically, Rahu is known for illusions, ambitions, and sudden events that often feel destined. Unlike visible planets, Rahu is a shadow node, but its impact is real and intense. Aquarius, ruled by Saturn, is a sign of intelligence, invention, social movements, and future-oriented thinking. It carries with it a tide of transformation, unexpected growth, and deep internal change. The power of Rahu in Aquarius. From a spiritual angle, Rahu's journey through Aquarius encourages society to move toward collective progress, modern ideas, and digital transformation. Human rights, innovation, and networking. This is a period where people will start questioning traditional structures and begin looking for new systems that are more inclusive and fairer. It can create a shift in how we deal with science, politics, and social justice. For individuals to accept unique ideas, and break free from limiting beliefs. It is important, however, to stay grounded. If you are humble and focused, the results of this transit can be life-changing in a positive way. The period can get very intense, where buried issues come at finances, inheritance, or emotional healing. Here, Rahu would want you to face your fear and accept change. Research and delving into occult sciences and psychology will be attractive. Engaging in shady investments or secret liaisons is not advisable. Although the resultant changes may seem uncomfortable, they are prone to actualizing deep healing. Hence, try to release whatever is not serving you and walk into your potential. A new horizon for job seekers and professionals. In the field of and profession, this transition, job seekers who have been struggling for a while may suddenly find opportunities in unexpected sectors like tech startups, space science, data analysis, AI, robotics, media, or environmental sciences. Traditional job profiles may not excite you anymore, and that's a good thing because those who are already working in jobs should prepare themselves for rapid changes. A sudden transfer, a change in team, or even a new manager might surprise you, but this change could bring better exposure and a chance to prove yourself in new ways. Aquarius supports group projects. Work on your communication, leadership, and collaboration skills. Be innovative. Your ideas will shine now more than ever. If you are running a business or freelancing, this is a time to explore digital platforms, online branding, influencer marketing, and tech collapsible and creative. Smart decisions lead to wealth. When it comes to money, this period opens doors for wealth creation through smart thinking and futuristic planning. Rahu in Aquarius favors investments in technology, renewable energy, online businesses, research-based companies. Planning to buy property, focus on places that have modern infrastructure and digital development around them. These will give better returns. Investments in vehicles, especially electric cars or energy-efficient models, are likely to be profitable. Schemes related to green or long-term pension plans should be explored seriously. If you are thinking of buying insurance or enrolling in a government scheme, go ahead after reading the terms clearly. The stock market may become more volatile, especially during lunar and solar events. Don't follow the crowd. Financial expert. Avoid risky trades, but don't be too conservative either. This is the right time to take educated financial risks for long-term gain. Unique bonds and emotional awakening. In matters of the heart, Rahu in Aquarius brings an air of mystery. Girls are likely to attract people who are different from their usual type. You may meet someone at a social gathering, online event, educational course, or even through a shared cause or community activity. Don't limit yourself by past patterns. Aquarius supports soul connections. You are in a relationship. This transit urges you to make your bond more equal and open-minded. It's a time to listen, support each other's dreams, and give each other space. Small arguments may come, especially over independence or control, but they can be solved through wanting to get married. This is a good period if both partners support each other's individuality. Avoid making decisions under family pressure. Your relationship will grow stronger when built on shared values and mutual freedom. The lucky days for love during this transit are Wednesday and Saturday, which brings calmness, clarity, and harmony. If you are planning a special gift, choose something thoughtful: a book on a subject they love, a plant, a digital gadget, or a handwritten letter. These will hold deeper meaning than flashy items. Family and social life may feel slightly disconnected at first. Some misunderstandings or emotional gaps may show up, especially with siblings or friends. Aquarius is a sign of independence, and Rahu may increase ego clashes if communication is not maintained. However, the same energy also a stronger connection with your father or an elderly male mentor, and their advice will help in shaping your life decisions. Conversations with your mother can become more emotional and spiritual. Take time to listen to her feelings. She might not say everything openly, but her guidance will be valuable. Might undergo a transformation. If there is any distance or coldness, now is the time to clear it with maturity. With friends, be open to forming new social circles, especially with people who share similar values or professional interests. If possible, social awareness programs. This will not only help society but also give you inner satisfaction and meaningful connections. Balance your mind and body. On the health front, Rahu's influence on Aquarius can make people mentally active but physically restless. There may be reduced screen time, especially before sleep. Avoid sitting for long hours and stretch your body every now and then. Aquarius also supports alternative healing, so you can try therapies like Reiki, acupuncture, aromatherapy, or sound healing. Stay hydrated. Processed items. If you have a medical condition that isn't improving with traditional methods, consider getting a second opinion or exploring a holistic approach. Also, take care of mental health. Speak to a counselor or a trusted friend if you